Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to guide you how to fix DreamStar custom app editor bug. The first thing that you should do is to restart your computer. A fresh restart can clear up temporary memory issues or conflicts with other programs. Second, you can also use the Run as Administrator option to fix those temporary bugs in your application itself. Third, you can also verify the game data if you are using Steam or any gaming platform for this application. Fourth, you can check your virus and threat protection settings to see if that's the one affecting the app itself. You can disable it for a few minutes, but do not forget to turn it back on. Another thing to consider is your graphics driver. Make sure that your graphics driver is updated to its latest version. And after updating it, try relaunching the game itself and see if that can fix the problem.